Arson attack. Woman's house destroyed in blaze. 45-year-old man held. Disc jockey hospitalized after being dosed with boiling water. Tastee employee succumbed to injuries from gun attack. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 45-year-old Ralston O'Connor of Turkopan District, Clarendon, was charged with arson in relation to an incident that occurred in Brandon Hill in the parish on Wednesday, January 24, 2024. Reports from the Croft Hill police are that a woman was some distance from her home when she saw fire coming from the dwelling. She raised an alarm and O'Connor was subsequently seen running from the home. The police and the Frankfield Fire Department responded and were able to extinguish the fire. The police said O'Connor later turned himself over to the police and was charged. A St. Anne-based disc jockey has been hospitalized in serious condition after he was dosed with boiling water by his girlfriend. The incident occurred Thursday at his home in Linton Park, St. Anne. The 22-year-old's girlfriend is being sought by the police. It is reported that about 8 a.m., Mr. Harris was at home in his bed when he was allegedly attacked by his girlfriend, who threw boiling water at him, causing severe burns to his face and upper body. He was rushed to hospital for treatment. The woman left the scene. The Tastee employee who was shot in a daring gun attack Thursday afternoon inside the restaurant's Crossroads St. Andrew branch has succumbed to his injuries. He is Roland Sawyer, also called Indian of Iron River District in St. Andrew. The news media understands he died during surgery. Investigators believe he was the target of the attack.